all the viewers of this video. We have Vipin, Mithunendra, and Pavan with us. These three are partners in our Chembur chapter of the Detailing Mafia. They have been operating their store for last 1 year, more than 1 year now, and have been a valuable part of our family of Detailing Mafia, and have valuable partners and contributors also, because they are the reason that we are around 41 stores now and growing. So without further ado, Vipin, Mithunendra, and Pavan, uh, hi.
Hi, so
Hi,
Hello.
how are you guys doing? Hope
good,
everything
good.
is safe
Great,
there.
great. Great.
Super.
All good, all good.
Right. So, can you just care to explain our viewers that when you guys opened Detailing Mafia and what got you interested in the detailing industry as per se? So, who'll
See,
start?
initially we were very car. I'll, so sorry, I'll start. Like, we had an interest in cars, and eventually we wanted to do something with that. So I got an ad on Instagram. So I spoke with the person in concern, got a call in couple of days, and like उन्होंने मुझे completely clearly बताया कि कैसा procedure होता है, क्या requirement है, and everything explained me properly. Even came to Mumbai and visited the store, everything. And eventually later on, after a couple of meetings, I like met with the director, Mr. Kunal. उन्होंने properly explained किया, a very good person to talk with, like great person to follow also. उन्होंने actually उनका पूरा store के बारे में बताया कैसे possibility है, what we do, quality products, premium, everything, all imported products, everything.
Super. So, again, the question is detailing industry as a as an industry. How do you feel working for it, and कैसा लगता है आपको? मतलब, what exactly do you guys feel that you guys are adding value to it? Because we certainly feel that way.
बेसिकली नए गाड़ी के बारे में मालूम पड़ता है, किस तरीके से काम करना पड़ता है, नया टेक्निक्स मालूम पड़ता है, ये करेंगे ऐसे करेंगे तो और अच्छा बेटर रिजल्ट आएगा गाड़ियों पे, वो सब डिटेलिंग में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
Right.
जैसे कि अभी जो भी नया गाड़ी आता है उससे फिर भी कितना भी नया गाड़ी हो फिर भी 12 मार्क्स वगैरह होते ही है, तो वो सब भी उसको भी फिर भी ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं हम लोग, जो उस वजह से जो रिजल्ट आता है, बेटर रिजल्ट आता है, वो सब देखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Superb, superb. So yeah, that's basically हमें भी मतलब ऐसा ही लगता है जब अपने कस्टमर्स को देखते हैं. So coming back, that is a very valid question. So आपका मतलब response कैसा रहता है कस्टमर का results देख के? Can you just explain that?
रिजल्ट तो सर अभी तक तो बहुत
We
अच्छा
have
ही
a
है,
great.
कस्टमर बोलते ही है, फीडबैक तो बहुत अच्छा ही है उनके तरफ से, क्योंकि जब आते हैं वो गाड़ी को देखते हैं हम लोग, जब भी कुछ भी मतलब जैसे कि रबिंग पॉलिशिंग करते हैं गाड़ी को, उसका बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वो कस्टमर को भी पर्सनली भी भेजते हैं हम लोग, तो उनको एक समझ में भी आता है कि हाँ मेरा गाड़ी ऐसा था, अब मेरा गाड़ी ऐसा हो रहा है, तो
Right,
बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वाला इफेक्ट उनको भी मालूम पड़ जाता है कि मेरे गाड़ी पे क्या काम हुआ है, कैसे काम हो रहा है।
right. Pavan, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was saying that. So you have seen those customers, right? They got a brand new car, and the moment they walk in, they're like, "Arey, there's no scratches. I don't. My car doesn't need a protection. All I need is a wash and everything." So the moment the new car walks in and you see all those swirl marks and everything, the moment you show them, there's that cocky nature of a customer.
Right,
For
right.
me, that is the best part. The moment you show them and the face they make, and then you're seeing those customers getting all tensed up. Hey, it was a new car. It is a new car. What should I do? What should I do? And the moment we deliver the car to them after our work, let it be ceramic or PPF or anything, and then there's a difference of self-respect. You can call that.
Wow,
That's
right.
pretty. That moment is pretty.
So
I
I
like
feel,
that.
yeah, that's one of the biggest reason why a detailer, is in an
Exactly.
industry, right? वो जो एक feeling
Exactly.
आती है ना, moment of truth वाला.
See, I can make it better.
Right, right, true. So that's something which is completely. Uh, we generally, even us, look forward to those moments with the customer, that when they
Exactly.
are, are satisfied with our work. And
Exactly.
speaking of satisfaction, are you guys satisfied with the work and the kind of support that we give you guys? Any? explanation, feedback on those parts.
Open, I think.
Like what I would like to say, like the first thing, and like I had it mind कि I need to do something of my own. वहाँ पे एक tagline था कि make your own business, and eventually always कि यार मेरा भी खुद का store हो, like I'll be the owner of this outlet. At that moment till now, like it's been fantastic. It was like everyone which whoever like enters the store, they are like fab because उनका store के ऊपर जो response is next level. We are very confident कि हमारे जैसा store all over मुंबई में कहीं नहीं है. At like such a presence. That is a very very proud moment for us.
Yeah,
And the quality which we provide, is really amazing.
That's high praise. Thank you.
many-
Thanks a lot.
एंड मेनी कस्टमर कम यार अगर मेरा भी कभी स्टूडियो हो तो ऐसा हो, वो बोलते हैं कि ऐसे लाइटें हो मेरे दुकान में, लाइट्स वगैरह सब में ऐसे ही लगाओ, ऐसे फ्लोरिंग लगाओ, ऐसे बोलते हैं हमें, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं.
Awesome. That's really great to know. How do you think the support of the company is? आपका feedback?
Like it's really good. And every point we have many questions. We are new to this business. We are very less about it.
जैसे कि हमें जो ट्रेनिंग देने आए थे अजय जी आए थे, तो वो भी कभी कुछ ऐसा रहा, अभी हम लोग को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, उनको फोन करके पूछते तो फटाक से जवाब दे देते, हाँ ऐसे करो, इसको ऐसे हैंडल करो, बता देते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा, उस पे भी I just wanted to add that we are also coming up with our SOP manuals and eventually a video library also, so that's right in your disposal कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. If you guys have any, obviously Ajay would be there and Harshneet is also there. Everybody is there to help you out. Just to add an extra advantage, we are also coming up with an SOP manual for videos and all, just for your knowledge, right? And
There are situations where you get stuck. So basically, it happens. There are always situations where you're getting stuck. So Ajay is the one who, you can call him anytime, any moment.
Right.
He's gonna pick up the call. He's gonna be like, ये कीजिए, वो कीजिए, and it works out. At the end, it's gonna work out. He's telling him he's someone.
Good to know. That's good to know. So again, talking about promises and deliverance, do you guys have any thing to say about if we have if there has been any lag in our deliverance of the promises that we made while we were signing your stores and all, whatever commitments were met, given to you guys, were they met?
Situation is very difficult, but the response from the Man Machine company is really good. Like I would like to especially talk about Mr. Ashneet. मैंने उन्हें काफी बार out of the way जाके call किया, even though on his holidays और कभी भी, and like we have many questions. उन्होंने हमेशा clear out किया है, explain किया है, समझाया क्या है, कुछ mistake होगा तो भी clear out करके बताया है. So he is very very helpful quite a time, and we really appreciate that.
That's high praise. Thanks. Shout out to Harshneet. Harshneet is the key account manager of TDM Chembur. He is the one who signed the store and now is handling their.
Thank you, Vipin. Thank you for the kind words and always there for you, all of you.
Most welcome, sir.
So again, this is something which would relate eventually once we get out of the COVID situation. All those things are in place. So in near future or maybe past future, will you guys ever be interested in having another store with Detailing Mafia?
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Surely.
Not like
Super.
this, sir. So definitely, sir.
That's basically something which I always wanted to hear with every of our
Yeah.
franchises.
To be frank, we actually had a plan also,
Plan
Right.
but then that got
We had
delayed
a plan, but
for some reason.
Yeah, we had a word with Mr. Ashneet. Like, in the start of January, we were having an investor with us. He was like blown out. Studio देख के पूरे हिल गए कि यार wow, ऐसा कुछ हो भी सकता है only for the cars.
Right.
And in the he was very much interested. At present, is out somewhere. अभी वो possible नहीं है. No, he was very
Right.
interested to open some nearby.
Right.
वो एक था point.
Great.
Because board वगैरह देखे, lights वगैरह, tiles वगैरह, like minute things सब देखे हुए, he was like fab. He was like very impressed. Graffiti, everything. So we were about to we were going to do something about that.
So of course there are plans. just there's some delay. That's all.
क्योंकि जो भी हमने जब स्टूडियो बना रहे थे हम लोग, जब बन रहा था स्टूडियो, क्योंकि हम लोग उधर पूरा दिन हम हमारे घर पे भी नहीं गए, हम वहाँ पे ही रुके थे, वहाँ पे ही सो रहे थे, वहाँ पे ही खुद सामने रह के काम कराते थे.
Superb. And so basically we look forward to have clients like you also. जो passion होता है ना, that's not everybody's cup of tea to detail and construct a store. मतलब it's easy to buy a franchisee, but making it a business of your own is tough. So hats off to you guys also for this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And again, it's like comparing apples to oranges, frankly speaking. So how would you rate us and Detailing Mafia with other franchisees or other detailing shops and all? You've been there into the business.
Quality wise, we are ahead. No questions about that. And like I am very much impressed with the feedback. Whenever we need any help, advice, we are way ahead. Actually, I didn't have any word with any other company, but I had by the other customers we have काफी हद तक उनसे better ही है.
Super.
And most important is premiumness.
Like Vipin was saying, we won't give you our reviews. In a way, we can give you the customers' reviews because they are the ones who have been everywhere.
Right.
It would be pretty good, I guess. I don't know how we're gonna rate it.
Customers भी क्या बोलते हैं आपसे, मतलब when they have already done a ceramic somewhere else and they come and
yes sir.
get it done.
Basically जैसे कि किया जो हमारे इधर जो किया का आउटलेट है, तो वहाँ पे के साथ टाई अप है उनका, तो वो करा के आ चुके, कुछ आए पहले भी, बोलते ये तो हमारे इसमें जैसे हाइड्रोफोबिक जो सब होता है वो सब उनके उसमें कुछ होता ही नहीं है ज्यादा करके. जैसे कि अभी उन्होंने से करा है, वो लोग ने कुछ और ये किए, वो लोग ने 3-4 दिन ले लिया. वो लोग बोलते कि गाड़ी मेरा 3-4 दिन रख दिया सिर्फ सिरामिक कोटिंग के लिए. जैसे कि हम लोग जो डिलीवर करते हैं आज, मतलब 24 आवर्स का ये रखते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे आपको मॉर्निंग में आज 11 बजे दे दो, कल 11 बजे ले लो. हम लोग वैसे करते हैं क्योंकि अपना कूलिंग पीरियड है. जैसे कि फिर हम लोग कस्टमर को समझाते हैं नया टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये चीज वापरा जाता है, ऐसे इसका इफेक्ट है. तो कस्टमर वैसे ही ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि जिन्होंने जो हमारे पास आए थे कस्टमर, उन्होंने 3M से कराया था वहाँ से, क्योंकि सिरामिक निकालने के लिए भी रबिंग वापस से सब करना पड़ता है. तो वो चीज पर उनको हमारा प्रोडक्ट इतना अच्छा लगा ना, वो आते रहते हैं हमारे पास हर टाइम.
Awesome. See, the thing is, we are also doing a lot to educate consumers about what ceramic is, the difference between us and different people. So eventually they'll come to realize the truth and the quality that we give. And yeah, that day is not very far now. They already have started realizing that, right? Okay. So it was nice talking to you guys.
Nice talking to you.
We'll keep on doing this practice as many times as possible in a month, right? Okay. Minimum 2 times तो obviously हम करेंगे इस चीज को आपसे. And जो भी points है, we'll just keep it across. आपके से भी, see, it's not just a one-way channel. It needs to be a two-way channel from now onwards because you guys are, are old guards now. So आपके point of views are very, very necessary for us to grow also. So we'll be taking those in consideration. Whatever points there, always feel free to let us know what exactly is required from us.
Surely.
Right, brother?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe. Wear mask.
Take care, everyone.
Stay home.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Take care. Bye.